Molweni sanibonani. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Sisasephezulu kaye indaba yabantu bakamseleku uMpilo Enhle noma wakhe uMakhumalo Nkosi yami. They're such sweethearts. I just love their vibe, the way they vibing, the way they have the mother and daughter relationship, the way they both support each other so much, and the respect they give each other. Like Umpilo, she's forever grateful, and she always tell her Umakhumalo how much does she appreciate having him. Like the message that she wrote to Umakhumalo for Mother's Day, it goes by Happy Mother's Day with a heart Phezulu. But today's flowers and chocolate could never match the depth of your love, your sacrifice, or the quiet strength you carry every step. You didn't just help me graduate, you carried me across the finishing line. Sometimes with your prayers, sometimes with your wallet, and always with your heart. You've poured so much into me, your time, your energy, your money, your everything, without ever asking for anything in return. And still, you cheer me on like I'm the one who deserves applause, when truthfully it's you who deserves a standing ovation. If I live 10 lifetimes, I could never repay you, but I promise to live this one with a purpose, pride, and passion, because that's what you raised me for. I love you more than words can shout, more than bank accounts can count, and more than I've probably said out loud. Thank you for being my rock. Oh, here's a young Mandy le text message. Like she really poured her heart and appreciating umawake uMakhumalo. It shows sometimes ukubana as abazali, what we pour out ebantwaneni bethu, it's what they give back. If you pour out hate on your child also will grow up, and the only thing that they'll ever blossom out of that, it will be hate. And if you pour out love, they will still blossom the same love that you give them. This is so beautiful to see, the way Umpilo is deeply appreciating Umakhumalo of everything that she is doing in her life. Like we've seen them together, like you can see the respect and the boundaries that is between both of them. What do you guys think about a relationship ka Makhumalo no Mpilo Enhle? Isn't it just lovely, guys, and to see? Sometimes that's when you see ukbana family, it ain't always blood. Like she did not have to bore Umpilo biological. She did not have to carry Umpilo biological for her to love her deeply. Let me know, what do you guys think? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And thank you so much to all my subscribers. I appreciate you all so much. Nampile, I love you so much. I am pouring out love to all of you, my subscribers, and my subscribers to come. Thank you.